So why exactly should you be using Lofty as a realtor? So one, it's an amazing system. Everything is all in one spot. Your website, your IDX, your follow-up, your CRM, everything is in one spot. Plus you get the bonuses of the AI, you get the bonuses of the social studio, the custom text codes, the design center. There's so many things that this system comes with that most people don't even know because they just barely scratch the surface on what it is, or they're using another system. So I would compare the two, check and see, hey, is all your stuff in one spot, or do you have to Mickey Mouse a website together with a follow-up campaign setup, or two different CRMs, or how many systems are you using where you could just be using one and keep it all in one spot? Very, very easy when everything is in one spot versus having to glue everything together in a sense, right? So if you're not using Lofty, you definitely got to check it out. Chances are it's going to save you some money, especially if you're using Sync or Boomtown or one of these bigger platforms that, in my opinion, a little bit on the antique side of life. You're going to see a massive decrease in how much your monthlies cost. So check out Lofty.